Alright guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today guys, we're gonna replace is a cabin air filter. It's a Chevy Cruze. It's a 2017. So first things first guys, is a long process, and the filter normally guys is inside here, but when you see this right here guys, is already sealed up. So this thing is a process, and the tools which you will need is number one is a 7mm, just a regular 7mm, and then another thing you need guys is a flat Phillips, or is just a regular prying tool, a plastic one. I prefer that, but I don't have that today, so I'm going to just use this right here. So guys, the process is a bit tedious, so please pay attention and just stay with me as I proceed with this process. So first things first, where you're going to use the 7mm weight is just right here. There's one here and there's one down right there. Then if you come to the right side guys, once I pry here, because I have to pry this right here to just come out like that. So this cover has to come out on the side. You just pry it from here. Now once that comes out, you can put it in a safe place. So you get access to this 7mm right here, and there's another 7mm right here. And then guys, when you close that, you come down right here. There's another 7mm just down right there. So those are the ones you're going to remove the 7mm. So to begin the work guys, unfortunately I don't know why Chevy did this, but you have to remove this cover right here. You have to take out this cover, this two right here, so that guys, there's a lip here guys, which is going to be on the side. There's a lip going on here, going on this side. So to get it out from there, you need to take this guy out. To take this guy out guys, you need to take this guys right here. So let's begin. So first things first, what we do is you just come down right here. There's some kind of space here, so you use your hand to pry it out. Just use enough force, this whole thing comes out. So if you have a prying tool, you can use it, but I prefer just using hand, because this thing just can come out like easy like that. You just pry it like that. You don't really need enough force, but just small force. So these hooks are going to come out from right here across this place. So once that is done guys, you push this thing from right here. But guys, when you look right here, something is holding from this side, so that this thing doesn't come out. So what you do, you just take your hand, there's this thing right here guys, like a handle. So you just put it like that. You just use a substantial force, and then this thing guys is going to come out. Then you can put it on the side, and then this part of the lip guys is going to just come like that. So you just come down here, you just use some force. So guys, you see this thing is connected all the way. You don't need to remove this other side. What you need, you just need this thing to give us enough space guys, that when we open later on, the lip right here is going to come out without a problem. So guys, once that's done, this thing is loose enough, we just leave it there on the side. So what you do, you take this out of the way. So I prefer starting down here. So you just down right here guys, just use our 7mm, just take it out. So guys, if you have a power tool, this is going to be like way much more easier. Not going to be like too much work like the way I'm doing right now. So just like that, our first 7mm is out. You can just put it down there. So the rest of the others guys are here. So let me begin with this one right here. Just down right here. Let's just begin with that. So also something to mention is when you're working on this process, also make sure guys, everything which is in your glove box, you just put them on a safe place. You just take them out, so that when the glove box comes out, everything should just fall. So this is our first one. So the second one is just right here. So there's the second one. Just put them on the ground. So guys, we come to the third one right here. So guys, when you have a power tool, this thing is going to be like really easy. I don't have that at the moment, so just going the long way. And this thing should be able just to come off from here like that. Holy moly, that thing doesn't want to stay in my hand. I guess it's almost time. Alright, so once you do that, guys, you can just use right here on the corner, just right here, just apply some pressure. Alright, this thing is going, it's a bit tight, guys, so you apply a little bit of pressure and then this thing is just going to come out like that. Then guys, because we didn't take this thing out completely, so it's going to block it, so you just taking out of the way like that, and it should be able to just come out like that. And then we can disconnect this thing right here from the way, so we can just hook it from here like that. Then guys, this thing should just be able to just come out like that, just disconnect like that, and then just let this thing come easy and then rest on the floor. So guys, remember I didn't remove something here. Other people say you remove it, but because I'm just putting it back, I just want to just let it just like come down like this. I just let this one sit here, so I don't really think it's necessary for you to take this out. So you just let it hang like that, because whatever you're doing, guys, is just back right here. So guys, here we have enough space to work on the cabin air filter. So what you do, there are two clips. One is right here on the left and one is right here on the right. So what you do, you just come straight up. You see where my hand is? There's a clip here, so you just lift it like that. So when you lift it, this thing comes out of the hook. I prefer you starting from there because it's a bit tighter. And then here, guys, you do the same. You pull like that, it just unlocks from the hook, and then guys, you just let this thing come down like this, let it rest like that. So once you do that, it exposes the cabin air filter. And then once that is done, guys, you can use something like a hook to just unhook it or bring it out. But for my case, guys, I don't have a hook, I just have a flat. You just use your flat or something, just use it in an angle, you just pull it slowly, just gently like that, and this thing comes out. Once it gets enough space for you to hold it, you can just pull it using your hand. You don't really need that hook thing, you just need something just to allow you to just get it out of there. So once this thing comes out, guys, oh my god, this thing, I don't know how we've been breathing here. This is hell, this is crazy. Oh my god, this is so crazy. So right, once this thing comes out like that, you can take in the new one, and then guys, you do the same procedure. You put it back in, but if you have like a blow or something, you can blow out this stuff which is just hanging around this area, and just make sure it's clean before you put back the new one. So with this red, I think we are dead by now. This is crazy. Alright, so guys, you see the process. it looks a bit intimidating, but guys, you've seen the whole process. I've just used one hand, so that means if you follow this this video well, you can just use your both hands and it's gonna be like really quick. So guys, to put it back, you just do the same way. You just start with the filter, you get your new filter, you put it in there, and then you lock it back. Once it locks back, guys, you just bring back your thing, and then guys, you just push it all the way in. But guys, in the process, don't forget to put this one back. So guys, this is how we do it, and hopefully this video really helps you out, and see you in the next video, and drive safe out there. All right, okay, bye bye.